Welcome to Projects for All. My name is Mike. Today we have a brand new product from Harbor Freight. This welding table is unique. And it's not unique in the way we would think, hey, that's a new design welding table, because it's a welding table. But gone from the packaging of this Harbor Freight product is the nonsensical graph telling me that this under $200 welding table is better than the $6,000 welding table I would have bought if I wasn't smart and bought a Harbor Freight product instead. So let's get in here and have a look at this odd Harbor Freight product that has actual numbers and specifications on the package. This is a respectable shift in marketing strategy. I don't mind being marketed to. I'm as susceptible to marketing as anyone else. I enjoy a good marketing pitch. But don't tell me on a graph with no numbers that Harbor Freight is good, but DeWalt is less good. I don't like that crap. If you're one of about 80 people who saw the first time I released this video, I was reading this as 5,000, which is totally incorrect. And a couple viewers, Tinkerer4 and AdrianDavis, found that real fast and hit me up in the comments. So table flatness is 50,000, plus or minus. Hole spacing, 2 inches, plus or minus 10,000. Hole diameter, 5/8, which is pretty standard stuff, and plus 20,000, but no smaller than 5/8. I'm already impressed. Now, does this make up for years of nonsense from Harbor Freight? Not really, in my eyes, but it's a damn good start. It'll hold 600 pounds, it weighs 73, it is 2 foot by 3 foot, and comes with some accessories. Let's get it out of the box and check out these numbers. Nicely packaged, short and sweet like we normally get from Harbor Freight. Interesting packaging here. Wrapped in paper, has a frame already attached to it. It would appear we just have to put the legs on it and we're all good to go. I'm not gonna lie to you. This looks very nice so far. I'm impressed. Let's get the legs on it and get it on the floor. You get your choice of legs. 32 inches with adjustable feet and a jam nut, or 4 inches. If you want to set it on a bench or work on the floor, and you can still adjust it in case your surface is uneven. We're going to go with the regular legs on this one. For the price point, I don't really expect a beautiful powder coat job, and that's totally fine. It is, after all, not going in my house. Well, we got a little bit of rust under the powder coat coming through already. That's a shame, but it is what it is. It took all of about 5 minutes to assemble. 2 bolts per leg, real simple. Comes with this spreader, just clips in. You get 4 positions on this. I don't know where I want it, so I'll go second from the bottom. And let's finish tightening this down and flip it over. Let's see what we got. So I've been sitting out here for the better part of an hour, goofing off and measuring things and checking everything I can think to check. And I'm going to tell you, I am fairly impressed with what I've found so far. The hole spacing is as advertised as best I can tell. And I've gone every which way. I'm just showing you one row for example, but they are pretty darn close. And so this is kind of playing out the way I expected. I don't know if you can see that anymore. I can't see the screen. All pretty darn close, honestly. Even when I go and double up, even hole diameter is very uniform. I'm impressed. The machining that went into this is pretty good. The box claims 50,000 plus or minus. We're just gonna start with 8. How about 10,000? We're actually about accurate to 12 or so. 10 thou. Not there. I started with 6, and with 6, it's pretty much the whole table. Where the frame bolts around the perimeter and up the middle are the high spots, as expected. And then it dips, but there's 10,000s high in the sides. A little tight there, yep, moving it. So here and there, 10 thou. I might have to get a new one just for doing videos. How about 12? There's 12 on the end. Not quite. In a few select spots. There's 12 right there. Not on this side. This side of my table seems to be a little lower, a couple thousands. Flat over here. 10 to 12 across here. The worst part on mine being here, the deepest dip, but there is a dip on this side too, to 8 to 10. If you bought this expecting it to be within 50 thou, I think you're gonna be pleasantly surprised, at least if the tolerances on yours are similar to mine. 12 thou is not a bad number for a $170 welding table. And honestly, I'm super happy with this. Fairly nice assortment of accessories. So if you don't have any, your budget welding table comes with some accessories, so you can get started right away. Knurled steel rod. It's stepped so it fits in nice and tight. Aluminum bracket, plastic handle. But it does clamp down nice and secure. You get 4 of these. Get some stop blocks. Those just fit right under the table, so you can bolt something down to the table, like so. You get 8 V-blocks. They call these spacers. They're cut out on the inside here, so they get kind of locked in there, but they do move. You put the V-blocks on the spacers. You get 8 bolts, 4 magnetic rests, 4 of these brackets here to bolt these stops down. Not bad. For less than 200 bucks. Grab a welder and this table and you can be having fun here in like an hour of setting up. So there's a quick look at a brand new product, and honestly, I am not disappointed with what I got for my less than 200 bucks. It's almost 4 millimeters thick. The spacing is spot on. It's flat to 12 thou. For what I would do with a welding table here, like make a railing for my house or build a go-kart so me and my kid can have fun, that sort of thing, I think this is perfect for. Is this a super professional welding table for less than 200 bucks? It's not. But it's not meant to be. Anything I build on this is gonna be good enough. We've got the Evolution miter saw coming up and the Evolution mag drill. So we're gonna see more of this table and we'll have some fun with it. I hope you liked the first look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Hit like, hit subscribe if you wanna see the Evolution stuff, and I'll see you in the next video.